from the peaceful green pastures, where the finest dairy cows are raised with care, to the heart of world-class factories, where raw milk is transformed into extraordinary creations. This is the journey behind the world's most luxurious cheeses and the richest golden butter. A story of craftsmanship, science, and tradition. From dairy farms all the way to gourmet masterpieces. Welcome to the complete process inside the cow cheese and butter factory.
From the farm to the factory, we're tracing the journey of how this fresh milk becomes the finest cheese and butter.
Of immediate cooling cannot be overstated. By rapidly dropping the temperature here in the tank, we ensure both safety and peak freshness. And that wraps up our tour of the main grounds. Next, we're going to explore the sustainable practices that make this farm so unique.
Hello and welcome to the receiving bay. This is the busiest part of the factory, where every product begins its journey.
To ensure the highest quality, we use this refractometer to measure the solids. This ensures every batch meets our stringent standards.
Separator corridor, we can clearly see the distinction. The denser cream moves slower through the upper pipes, while the lighter skim flows rapidly below. is dedicated to our cheese production, while this line handles the butter. The primary distinction lies in the separation and churning processes.
Right here we have the heart of the operation, the cheese vats. We're looking for that perfect separation of curd and whey before we drain it off.
The fermentation process is crucial. Inside these tanks, the yeast is hard at work converting the sugars.
The cutting process is crucial. We slice the coagulum and the whey, the liquid part, begins to drain away.
After shaping the damp paper, we lay it onto the inked plate. This large cylinder ensures the perfect pressure for transferring the image.
Understanding the science behind controlled aging is essential. It's how we transform simple ingredients into something truly extraordinary.
Humidity stabilized at 45%.
Temperature holding steady at 20 degrees Celsius.
Once the curds are pressed, the wheels are brought here to the aging room. It's a slow process, but essential for the flavor development.
And now we transition from the aging room into the heart of our operation, the butter production area.
Keep an eye on the pressure gauge over there. It seems a bit high.
Okay, I'm adjusting the controls now.
The key to our process is right here.
We churn the cream slowly, allowing the flavors to develop naturally before it moves down the line for packaging.
The distinction between cheese and butter really comes down to molecular structure and processing. One is a fat emulsion, the other a protein matrix.
Here we are at the final stage of the process. The cheese is being vacuum sealed while the butter gets its signature golden wrapper, ensuring peak flavor upon arrival.
Critical control point here is the induction seal. As you can see when I pick this up, the packaging integrity remains absolutely flawless, ensuring freshness downstream.
In the loading hallway, we finalize the cold chain packaging. These specialized containers are equipped with monitors to ensure temperature control during transit. A little further, then drop it. Looks good.
Okay, slide that one right there. Got it. Watch your feet. Clear on this side.
To ensure freshness, we monitor the cold chain closely. The temperature gauge here confirms optimal chilling and
That'll be $10.50.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your change and receipt. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
A la familia. ¡Salud!
Qué rica está la cena.
And that's the journey from our family farm to your table. Fresh, local, and delicious, just as it should be.